a great choice today with the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, Sirius Satellite Radio, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper, rear view camera. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.